Okay, you all, the much anticipated and most talked about Fun City. The solution Fun City in Oka is taking up in a very good shape. It's coming out beautifully well. Guess what? Asphalt laying has officially begun at the Solution Fund City in Oka. And from the video footage, we've seen that the work is looking absolutely smooth and top notch. The environment is already starting to take shape, and you can literally feel the vibe of what's coming to Oka. For those of you who haven't heard the gist, let's rewind a bit. Governor Charles Soludo and his government are bringing the fun to Oka with his incredible leisure park project. The Solution Fund City will be sited at the Part B of the Oka Township Stadium. If you know the Township Stadium very well, the Solution Fund City will be there. And trust me, it's set to be the ultimate destination for relaxation and entertainment in the state. This isn't your regular park either. We are talking about outdoor and indoor amusement rides, a water park, arcade games, and even bowling equipment will be there. It's the kind of place you want to visit with friends and family over and over again. Now, back to the latest update. The asphalting has begun, as you can see. Watching the progress so far, you can't help but appreciate the precision and dedication going on in this project. That's what we are on about at Ebony People TV. Bringing all of the goodies to your screen so you can stay updated on what's happening around you. It's a sign that Governor Charles Soludo is not just making promises, he's delivering on them. The team on site is doing an incredible job, and you can even already envision how stunning this place will look once it's completed. You know how people say seeing is believing, right? Well, from what we've seen so far, this is a project that has been handled with care and expertise. Let's not even forget the scale of this project. Governor Soludo's administration approved a whopping 2.43 billion naira for the Solution Fund City. This project you're seeing took a whopping 2.43 billion naira. Out of that, 1.9 billion was allocated to Park Berger Water Park Limited for supplying and installing the outdoor amusement and water park equipment. This is a serious investment in leisure and tourism in Anambra State, and we can't wait to see the kind of opportunities this park will create, not just for visitors but for the local economy too. A massive shout out to Solution himself and his team for making this dream come true for the people of Anambra State. From roads to leisure projects like this, it's clear he's on a mission to transform the state. With the asphalt laying in progress, we can only imagine how soon the other phases of the project will come together. Trust us, Ebony People TV will keep you updated every step of the way. What do you think about this amazing project? Are you as excited as we are about this project? Drop your thoughts in the comments and we'll see you in our next video.